Hey guys, Jonathan here, social media manager at Mytrix, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of our Blue Bamboo V2 Pro controller. This controller not only works for a Nintendo Switch, but it works for iOS, Android, and even on PC. So that means you can play Steam games on the go or on your computer. Alright, if you look inside the box here, you're going to see that it comes with not just a controller, but with a micro USB-C cable and the instructions booklet. Instruction booklet is going to tell you how to pair your controller and how to use the lights. But if you don't like reading like I do, don't worry, we're going to explain it in the video. Well, here's a close-up of our Blue Bamboo controller. There's a sick RGB lighting. If you turn the controller over, we have two reprogrammable buttons in the back. We also have a new feature, which is Hall effect triggers. You're able to finally choose between having the normal L and R bouncy kind of button, or you can choose to make it stop halfway. The choice is going to be up to you, and it depends on the game. Now, if we look here, we get a nice close-up on the back of the Blue Bamboo controller, which has a toggle to choose between PC, Android, iOS, or for Nintendo Switch. So, very easy way to pair your controller. This beautiful Blue Bamboo controller not only has RGB lighting on the control sticks, but even lights up on the buttons. Whether you're playing on Steam, mobile, or on the Nintendo Switch, you'll definitely enjoy the fact that this controller will never get drifting. So if you're looking for a quality controller, check out Mytrix Blue Bamboo controller. You won't be disappointed.